So we have some
Shoes.
sketchers shoes for kids,
Yes.
and they light up.
And we want to know what is inside.
Exactly. And now we're gonna cut them and gut them. From where are we gonna start?
I
from
got
the
no idea.
from the toe or from the heel?
I don't know, and I don't care. I just want to know what is inside.
Let's try out.
Be careful. Rip.
Oh no, don't cut me.
They still light up though. How? How is this possible?
Oh, here's something.
Oh,
Some wires. We gotta be careful not to cut them.
will it explode if we cut them?
Blue or red wire?
None. This feels illegal.
How does it feel?
Illegal?
Illegal.
Yes.
Like smuggling something in the soles of the shoes.
Yes.
So we found out something. There's an electronic box and some LEDs. We're gonna extract them now.
Why? Don't.
Why not?
No! What if it explodes?
Tick tock, tick tock.
No, don't.
One LED.
Just don't.
You're walking on a bomb.
I know.
No? But there's no blue and red wires, only red and white.
Oh. Okay.
And a yellow.
The yellow will explode. I already see it.
We're not gonna cut any wires.
think we now know what is inside.
Only from one side. The other side doesn't light up.
Yeah.
But we have a sensor or something in the front.
Can we stop?
Why?
Because, like I want to stop. I feel like this is murdering.
We're murdering a shoe.
I'll just sit.
Well, already cut the red wire.
Don't.
Accidentally. And it didn't explode. So this is the inside. And the shoe is gutted. Let's see if the device lights up when we hit it.
Is it still?
It's murdered. It seems I cut some wires. Yes, I did.
Okay.
Okay, here are some LEDs. The electronic block with a battery is encased in some plastic resin, so we can't see what's inside exactly. One shoe murdered, one mystery solved. Goodbye.
Goodbye.